Hi, it's Les Crowley here with Sweet Zone Properties. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our Fresh Start program. This program is for renters who want to become buyers. And in particular, the type of renter who presently has some past blemishes on your financial credit score. So what's really a differentiator with our program against other lease-to-own programs is, first of all, our willingness to be flexible. Our goal is for you to become a homeowner. We love doing that for people. It makes us happy. And we're flexible with this. And if you speak with some of our previous clients, you'll find we're extremely flexible. The mortgage, banking, finance industry is constantly in a state of flux. There's certain things that make the news, the interest rate, the prime rate makes the news. Mortgage rates occasionally make the news. But there's a whole lot of parameters and details and boundaries that the Bank of Canada or banks set. And these things are moving all the time. There's even different from bank to bank. We have a history of being really flexible, even with banks, with CMHC, with finding ways to get our customers approved and on their way to home ownership. The second point, the second real significant differentiator, is we work with you up front before you put any money down, before you've given us the option fee. We work out a complete plan with you, so all the costs are known. Oh, my neighbors are having a good laugh over there. Hopefully not at me. So we just laid all out the table, so you know exactly what the plan is. Part of the plan, a key part of the plan, is working through those financial glitches, making the changes that are necessary for you to qualify, for the banks to look at you and see you as a good risk at the end of your tenancy, so that they'll give you a mortgage. So we have enlisted a mortgage broker, and this mortgage broker gets paid on commission by the lending institution when they set up a mortgage for you. So our mortgage broker has a vested interest in you succeeding in your mortgage. And the key thing here is this mortgage broker is also your credit coach through the duration of your tenancy. So they're the person, he's the person who helps you make the changes, gives you advice on the changes, and you agree to make those changes before you even sign up with us. So you know the whole story. The third differentiator.
Does it have to do with CMHC?
Well, it does have to do with CMHC, as a matter of fact. So CMHC is a insurance that is funded by the Government of Canada. They provide insurance on mortgages. So if you're saving up 5%, which is the absolute minimum for a mortgage that's insured by CMHC, then CMHC has regulations themselves. Okay, so their regulations are very rigid and they're very inflexible, and they change periodically. So it's really important to be able to be flexible and to have an attitude about flexibility for the sake of making the deal move forward. I've heard people phone me up and say they're dealing with a rent-to-own company, and when that company has come across this CMHC issue, the rent-to-own company just says, that's your problem, solve it. We don't work like that. It's our problem, because our objective, yours and mine, is for you to become a homeowner. That's our goal at Sweet Zone Properties, and we will do everything reasonable to make that happen. Thanks for listening.